Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys looking for the best Wi-Fi range extender that gives you the best Wi-Fi coverage range? Then this video is highly made for you. In this video we will do the Comfast Wi-Fi extender setup in very simple and easy way. A Comfast Wi-Fi extender is a device that boosts the coverage of your existing Wi-Fi network by receiving the wireless signal from your router and amplifying it to reach areas with weak or no signal. So watch this video till the end. First of all, connect your Comfast Wi-Fi extender to a power outlet near your router. Wait for the power LED to become stable, usually a solid color. Press the WPS button on the extender. The WPS LED should start blinking, indicating it's in pairing mode. Within 2 minutes, press the WPS button on your main Wi-Fi router. The extender should automatically connect to the router. The WPS light on both devices will stop blinking and become solid once the connection is established. Move the extender to a location halfway between your router and the area where you need better coverage, ensuring it is still within the Wi-Fi range. Use your phone or laptop to check if the extended network is working. The extender typically creates a network with a name like your network name_ext. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.